Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm making a baby quilt using this really cute block. It uses 2.5-inch squares and half square triangles, and it measures 8.5 inches. A very easy block to put together. Let's get started. I saw this block in an old vintage quilt and I tried to replicate it here. I could not find this block though in any of my encyclopedias, so I'm going to name it Baby Bows. The backing fabric here is going to inform my fabric choices. There are a lot of different colors in the backing, so I'm just going to go to my stash and choose some fabrics that go along with that backing fabric. From my backing fabric, I cut some strips that are 2.5 inches wide, the length of the fabric, and then for each quilt block I need 4 small strips that are 2.5 by 4.5 inches, and then I'll need 4 squares that are 2.5 by 2.5. From each of the colored fabrics, I needed to cut 12 squares that are 2.5 by 2.5. When all of my pieces were cut and ready to go, I began making the star points. Now this is not a star block, but it has the same elements as a simple star would have. So I put one of my squares on one side of that rectangle and I will draw a pencil line, and then I'll be putting the seam right there on that pencil line. I folded that triangle open to see if it is the right size, and my triangle is lining up really well, so I can cut away that fabric from behind, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. I needed to make 4 of these little pieces for each of my baby bow blocks. After pressing those star points, I am going to put my block together, beginning with the 4 patch in the middle. Right now it looks like a star, but when I put these corner squares in there, it will begin looking like that bow. So I have 2 browns in 2 of those corners and the background fabric in the opposite corners. So the star shape is sort of disguised in this block, but I wanted to move some pieces around to show you that the elements of a star are definitely part of this quilt block. Using that background fabric or the backing fabric for the color choices made finding fabric for this little quilt really easy, and I'll just continue making blocks and finding some fun fabrics in my stash to complete this fun baby quilt. This is what it will look like when I have all of my blocks complete. My goal is at least 20 blocks, and I always like to just kind of decide as I go along. Sometimes I run out of time, and if that happens, I can always add a border to make this a good size for a baby quilt. I'm really liking these blocks so far, and it won't be long until my blocks are complete and I can put this together, and I'll be sure to share that with you. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.